Hello everyone, Rolling Stones here. Stick around after this video to see how I made it. There's some pretty interesting stuff. Enjoy the film. Hello, this is Yarno speaking. Huh. No freaking way. You're me. Where is your hammer? My what? Your hammer. Did I stutter? Why do you want my hammer? Is that it? Give me the hammer! No! Look, if you do not give me this hammer, then the whole of Africa will flood because one screw in the whole of the dam was not hammered in properly. Africa. Did I say Africa? I meant Dubai. Look, surely this isn't the only hammer in the world. I mean, I bought this one for $2 from Bunnings. I know you can get them from Bunnings. Wait. You don't mean... Bunnings is gone? What? With no Bunnings, there's no sausage sizzle. No. And with no sausage sizzle, there's no Australia. I can save Australia. I can save the sausage sizzle. Just give me the hammer. At last, you will be back, my sweetest finger. Go! I think I just cut my finger off with these scissors. No! Hey guys, me again. Yeah, hope you enjoyed that video. It's not great, but it was a test to new editing stuff. I was just testing, yeah, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. The first thing I've done here is I've taken this shot of me walking into the room. And looking at nothing at the moment. So, then what we're going to do is take the shot of other me from the future, rummaging around in the pile of shit, and we're going to plonk that on top of that one. Now you'll notice that this top one is classified as a cutaway at the moment, which means you can't see anything of the bottom one. This one's just completely overlapped it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to this cutaway title on the top clip, and we're just going to get blue screen / green screen. Now if you notice that you've got these little circles in this square, now what you want to do for this shot, now you can definitely see if I just do this just quickly, you can see that there is that faint line that's a little bit different from the green screen and the original shot. Now that's the one problem that you would actually be able to address in Adobe After Effects, I think, You can probably do it on iMovie, but what I'm trying to show you is the easiest way of doing it, and the thing that I did for this film that worked out pretty well. So, alright, so go select on the top one again, and these little circles, what you want to do is just sort of, because I only need future me to change in the shot, nothing else actually changes. So, all I'm going to do is just get most of the area around future me. So it's just to make sure that all of future me is in the picture. And you can see here that the difference is not such a definitive line anymore. It actually kind of fits into the shot. So now if I put it together, see what I mean? Now, you've got your cloning video. So tips: use a tripod, make sure the lighting is the same in both the shots, and that the camera angle is exactly the same, so that when you put it together, it's like it was all done in one shot and there's two of you. I hope you enjoyed this video and actually stayed around for the end. If you did, good for you. I appreciate it. I love you. Alright, I think that's it. Bye.